is y equals 3x cubed minus 10x increasing or decreasing at x equal to 1? Well, if we had a graph, it would be easy to see what it's doing. But let's say we don't have a graph. How do we use our calculator to find this? Well, on a TI-84 CE, if you go to the math button right here, notice number 8 says n deriv, which is the numerical derivative, and it finds the value of a derivative at a specific point. So go ahead and select that or choose number 8. We want to find d dx of, type in our function, and our function is 3x cubed minus 10 x. And where do we want to find the derivative at? Well, we want to find it at a value of x equal to 1. And that's all you have to do. If I press enter, I get a negative 0.999997. It has a slight rounding error on this one, so it's really negative 1. So what does that negative 1 tell you? That it is a decreasing function at x equal to 1. So remember, all you have to do is type in d dx, put in your function, and then the x value that you want to find the derivative of.